Let me be straight with you. If you're looking for pickup lines or cheesy compliments you found on some Reddit thread, leave this video right now. Seriously, click off. Because what I'm about to share, it's not for boys chasing validation. It's for men who know their worth and are ready to speak to a woman in a way that cuts past the surface and hits her soul. These are the top 3 forbidden compliments that don't just flatter her, they haunt her. Compliments that make her feel seen, desired, craved, not because you're trying to impress her, but because you've mastered the art of speaking truth with presence. So if you're ready to unlock a level of attraction most men will never touch. Oh, and before we continue, I've got something special for you, a free ebook, The Female Mind Control Handbook. It reveals the hidden secrets to making any woman crave you. Grab it now. Link in the description or pinned comment. Let's get into it. 1. You have a fire most people try to hide. This compliment doesn't just touch her looks, it hits her soul. Because let's be real, most women hear the same tired lines every week. You're beautiful, nice dress, cute smile. And while there's nothing wrong with those, they don't stand out. They don't penetrate. They don't linger. But this one, it cuts deeper. Because what you're really saying is, I see something in you that most men are too distracted or too shallow to notice. You're not complimenting her appearance. You're honoring her essence. That wild spark, that untamed ambition, that edge she hides behind politeness and social expectations. And when you speak to that part of her, she feels seen, not just liked, not just wanted, but recognized. And that's the beginning of emotional seduction. Because once a woman realizes you're the man who notices what the world ignores, she leans in. She wants to show you more. She wants to open up, drop the act, and give you the real her. And it all started with one sentence that told her, I see your fire, and I'm not afraid of it. 2. Your mind turns me on more than your body. Forbidden. Oh yeah, because most guys are too scared to say this. They think if they don't focus on the physical, she'll lose interest. But here's the truth. The women worth keeping, they're starved for intellectual and emotional connection. They're tired of being reduced to curves and selfies, tired of shallow praise. So when you flip the script, when you tell her it's her mind that turns you on, you instantly separate yourself from 98% of men. It's bold, it's unexpected, it's powerful. You're saying, yeah, you're beautiful, but that's the entry ticket. What's keeping me here is the way you think. And when you do that, something shifts. She relaxes. She engages deeper. She starts talking about things she never shares, her fears, her goals, her worldview. And here's the crazy part. The more you stimulate her mind, the more she craves you with her body. Because for high-quality women, mental intimacy is foreplay. So if you want to make her drool in a way that no mirror or magazine can prepare her for, don't just undress her body, undress her mind. 3. I like the way you handle your chaos. This one. It's dangerous in the best way possible. Because every woman, no matter how strong, poised or confident, has chaos inside. Anxiety, insecurity, wounds. And most men either avoid it or try to fix her when it spills out. But you do something radical. You acknowledge it, you accept it, and then you praise the way she navigates it. You're saying, I know you're not perfect, and I respect the hell out of the way you keep showing up anyway. That's rare, because now you're not just complimenting her in the good times. You're admiring her when she's vulnerable. And when a woman realizes that her chaos doesn't scare you, that you don't flinch when she's messy, stressed, or unsure. She melts. Because finally, someone isn't asking her to be a fantasy. You're inviting her to be real, and she'll crave you for it, because a woman might be attracted to your strength, but she falls in love with your understanding. So if you want to give a compliment that undoes her walls, tell her you love the way she wrestles with life and doesn't give up. If you've ever dropped one of these forbidden compliments, if you've ever looked a woman in the eye and made her feel seen, not just wanted, then you already know the power of words backed by truth. And if this resonated, if something inside you whispered, "Damn, I need to start speaking like that," then subscribe to the Stoic Guide. This isn't just another advice channel. It's a movement for men who want real connection, power without manipulation, respect without games. And now I've got a challenge for you. Drop the word depth in the comments, because that's what this is all about. Not just charm, not just surface, but depth. Let's see how many real ones are out there. Men who know how to see and be seen. And I'll be reading everyone.